So, time to chuck some headers on. Asked a question on the LS Swapped Falcon Facebook page to see if there's any headers that bolted up. And it turns out the VT to VZ pacemaker headers fit. So, I had a look. I've got some Proflows because they, by eye, they look like they're the exact same shape and they're a fair bit cheaper. So, if I do need to hack them up, it's no real drama, but apparently they bolt in. I'll be surprised if they do, but hopefully it doesn't need to be modified too much. But they come with all your bolts and flanges and whatnot. That 3-inch, I think it's 3-inch or 3.5-inch flange at the end, they'll be coming off. I'll chuck it through the bandsaw and cut them off because I'll be putting V-bands on there, make life a little bit easier. But see how they fit. I'll start off, I'll take that steering rack shaft off, give us some room because that, I assume that threads through that gap there. And then that side, we shall see, see how she goes. So I'll take that off and see if she fits. So the passenger side is close, but no cigar. Oh, it's hard to do with one hand. As you can see, I'm about half a hole out there. And then it's hitting just on there. So I've marked it. I think I might notch that out. It'll be easier than modifying the header. So there's plenty of meat on that cross member. If it does start to fatigue, I'll just get a gusset or something melted in there, but it should be right. It looks like there's plenty of meat there, so I'll get the die grinder out and make some room for it. So driver's side fits perfectly. Won't have to change a thing. Steering rack, steering shaft goes up through there. It does hit there, but like I said, that's going to be changed to a V-band, so no dramas at all. Does sit a bit lower than I'd like, but I think any headers are going to sit a bit low, so that's fine. It may get in the way of the cross member for the gearbox, but that's alright, I'll leave that on there. Shane from Full Send Fabrication is going to do the cross member, so if I leave the headers on there, he can work around them or do whatever he needs or modify the headers, whatever needs to be done. But yeah, it all fits. I'll give you a view from the top once I get the car back down. Best I haven't done this side yet. I'll get the die grinder out and attack that shortly. So here's the driver's side. As you can see, fits pretty good. A bit tight down there. It's not actually touching. It looks like it is, but it's not, so should be right. Should be fine. I'll start on the other side now and see how that goes. Alright, so I've notched that out. Probably took out more than what I really needed to, but it'll be alright. I can clean it up better when that engine mounts out as well. So yeah, engine's definitely coming out again, and a few other bits on this cross member are going to be done. Like that hole there is going to be plugged because Shane from Full Send was saying he has seen them, if they copper hit from the side, it actually punches through to the other bolt hole, so he'll weld a plug in there. But chuck this side on and see how well it lines up. Alright, so they're bolted on. There's our clearance, so yeah, it's close, but definitely not touching. So yeah, VZ headers fit nicely. So yeah. Alright, so there it is. All bolted in. See if those flanges cut off. Plenty of room. So chuck a V-band on there. And it should be good to go. So yeah. There'll be enough flex even. V-band should fit anyway. And then, yeah, we just have to fabricate that mount around it. So, yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine. So, yeah. All done.